Grevilleas are one of the largest genus in Australia. Their growth forms are just as varied as their flowers. Some have large, showy flowers, while others are grown just for their foliage. Without a doubt, they are one of the best plants to put in the garden to attract birds. Even if you don't have a large bank like this and you've only got a balcony or small garden, you can grow a grevillea in a large pot or even a hanging basket. Grevilleas are certainly the plant of choice for nectar-feeding birds such as honeyeaters or wattle birds. Even the bees absolutely love them. And it's because they're full of beautiful sweet nectar. And it's really easy to see if you open up the individual florets and look at the perianth. It's there for everyone. Now, there are grevilleas that seem to flower all year round, and all you need to keep a family of birds alive in your backyard is one of these varieties. But also look, don't discount those that are showy and gorgeous for just a few weeks. Many gardeners are very wary of feeding grevilleas, and the reason is they develop specialist roots that draw phosphorus out of nutrient-depleted soils, and any high phosphorus fertilisers will cause them to die. But grevilleas will benefit from the addition of fertiliser, just like any other plant at this time of the year. PowerFeed All Purpose is safe for all plants, including natives. It acts fast and is absorbed by the foliage so quickly. It's also an incredibly effective liquid clay breaker and can be used on all soil types. Sandy soils, it will assist in improving them and holding water. And in clay soils, the concentrated organic matter will help the soil to develop structure, so water drains away. All plants need a little bit of tender, loving care, even natives. And the more work you do at this time of the year, the less you have to do in spring and the better the garden looks.